Oh. Sino sabi? Kay.
Pwede ba magpa-wake up call bukas? Alas 10.
Susi. 206. Kami.
Picture ng wifi.
Ay, habi. Thank you.
Namaswaras na naman na.
Ha? Ay, hindi. Wala kita left.
Alam mo, may dispenser sa labas. Sabi ko tayo.
Pwede na lang. Hindi ko nga parang Lucy. Wala kitang buffet. Gano'n. Swimming. Good morning. Ha? Mag-breakfast na ako. Mag-breakfast na kami. Para mamaya maliligo na. Ang amang hotel ngayon sa Puerto Princesa, meron ng pool. Nag-aantay kami ngayon ng aming breakfast. Ang aming breakfast. See? Ibig ko kumakain na.
Adi na po kami ma-breakfast. Wow! Wow! Sarap ng foods. Na, di nakalakat kay Grabing Arte. Kitaan sapatos.
Masakit na na akong tiil kaya ako ninibit-biton. Tama. Iba din. Terrace. Oh. Uy. Swimming pool. Uy. Meron pang taas. Ano be? Ha? Ganyan lang ang lamig, hindi siya nagalamig-lamig.
The land area. By the way, guys, the first biggest city is the home of our former President Duterte, which is in Davao. So, welcome to the city of Puerto Princesa. Our travel time going to our destination is 1 hour and 45 minutes, but don't worry, I will give you time to stretch a bit, and you can also have a coffee break, tea break, or
Yes.
try to sip
Smoke.
some juice to cool our, thirsty.
Yes, madam.
Yes, thank you so much. So, our travel is not just a long, straight road, but it's a winding road. It's a roller coaster and a zigzag ride later. So, I needed to finish my briefing before that starts.
Ano ito? Airport?
So, here in Puerto Princesa, I mean in Palawan, most of the travel destinations can be found in the northern part of Palawan. We do have 23 municipalities all in all, and most of these travel destinations, the famous travel destinations, can be found in the northern side, which is the straight ahead road of this road that we're approaching right now. And we are only divided into two, the northern and the southern part of Palawan. So if you're fond of diving, you can go to the sunken shipwrecks during the World War II in Busuanga. That will be in Coron, Palawan. If you're coming from Manila, we can also take you with a direct flight from Manila to Busuanga, and you'll be landed in Busuanga Airport. And by the way, guys, I just know lately that there's also a flight direct from Manila to El Nido and Manila to San Vicente. Meron na siya sa Cebu Pacific. Anyway, hopefully next year we will be opening our international flight in Taiwan and also Korea. Before meron kami. Do you understand Tagalog? Or should I speak fluently in English? Alright, my nose is going to bleed. But it's okay.
You can do
I'll
it,
take
madam.
the challenge.
Yes, madam.
So guys, I'm gonna make this tour as fun as we can. So all you have to do is sit back and relax and just be cooperative with me, okay?
Yes,
So before we
madam.
go to our main highlights, I'm going to give you a little bit of do's and don'ts here in Puerto Princesa. And we are so strict in implementing our city ordinance law. No littering, okay? There is an anti-littering act law here in Puerto Princesa. I'm so sorry. Because you know what, guys? Even the candy wrappers or cigarette butts cannot be thrown on the road.
You can do it, madam.
First, second, third offense is monetarily. Fourth offense is, a free board and lodging and extension of your stay here in Palawan. However, it's gonna be in city jail with a free breakfast.
Yeah. No.
Anyway, and a part of that, we can only have there's only a designated areas for smoking. So who are the smokers here? I'm so cute
Oh.
about it. Alright. So it's
Salamat,
okay.
kuya.
We do understand that. You can also approach me if you feel like you wanted to smoke, okay?
Thank you,
I know
madam.
how it feels.
How come?
Anyway. So, by the way, guys, Palawan is the home of the two UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is the Tubataha Reef and the famous underground river cave. And choosing this underground river cave is really good because it's a pride of all Filipino, not just only Palaweños. They said that you never can tell that you've been to Palawan if you haven't been to the
Underground.
famous underground river cave. So, because of that, Palawan and Puerto Princesa become a well-known travel destination. It's not just well-known here in the Philippines, but also it's a worldwide travel destination. And yes, we do have this, what do you call this, wildlife later. So we just wanted to give you a heads up that inside the national park, there's gonna be like wildlife. We call this the monitor lizard and these long-tailed macaque monkeys. So bawal ang plastic. I mean, plastic is not allowed because when the monkeys hear the, you know, like that, the plastic, they
Yes.
would think that you have food with it. Yeah. So please do not bring out some plastic or any food or give it to these monkeys,
Nangunguha
or
ng
else
bag.
they're gonna really chase you. And if you feel like you wanted to take a photo with these monkeys, please make sure that you can still, you know, once they kind of attack you or try to growl you, but do not smile with them, you know. Smiling with the monkeys doesn't mean that they love you when they smile back at you.
Okay.
So it triggers them that you are their kaaway. I'm not sure how's the English term for kaaway.
It's
Enemy.
Calaban.
Enemy.
It's like the Calaban.
The Calaban. You got it right, sir. It's
Oh
like a
my
Calaban.
goodness, my English is limited.
Oh my God, me too. I need someone. I need some help. Anyway, guys. This is my kababata right over here. She's poor
Hi, madam.
because she doesn't have any, you know, van. So she's going to ride with us. I'm just joking. Yeah.
I'm supposed to be your guide today. But
Yeah, she's supposed to be your guide, not me. However, you know, we have like 3 groups for today. Thank God. Because of you guys, we're here. So, we are really put a high value in our tourists. And do not worry, guys. Because the people here in Palawan, it's not just about the travel destination, you know. The people here are kind and very...
Beautiful.
Yeah! Thank you so much. And we put, you know, high value with our guests. If you happen to left something here in the van, or maybe in the church, you can still get it. Like, retrieve it. We're going to give it back to you. We're not the other, you know, people that is
Yes.
going to like, finders keepers. We're not like that. So anyway, later, I'd like to ask for your help of patience and full understanding that we do have this 3 queues. The first queue, guys, would be the verification of your ID. That's why I'm asking your IDs. And they're going to do it like manually to check your IDs together with the permit, because in Underground River Cave, we have this policy, no permit, no entrance. And we are doing that to secure also the safety of our guests. So, speaking of safety, guys, you know, the Coast Guard are the only ones who can decide if we are good to go or not. So that would depend on the weather. And if that happens, normally they divert the tour. But right now,
The weather is good.
I'm still seeing Mr. Sun.
Mr. Sun.
Yeah, and hopefully it will go through once we get there. Because sometimes even if it's sunny here, it's raining right over there. But, you know, there will be the second view. The getting of your boat, like an outrigger canoe. In order for
Sa Holy
Because of the holy.
Because yeah, the holy is there. So, there are dripping minerals coming from the ceiling of the underground river cave. So these stalactites or the rock formation coming from the top going to the bottom, sometimes there are dripping minerals that will fall from our head. That's why we're also providing you guys to wear hard hats. And also bring your life vest with you. The boat that you're going to ride has it's gonna be the same boat that you're going to ride when you get back, and also has its own designated life vests. Just make sure that you do not put any valuables in the life vests, so that we are going to, limit the forgetfulness of our belongings.
Yes, madam.
And the retrieval of that sometimes may take place. And also, just make sure when you're taking picture inside the underground river cave,
No flash.
you hold your phone very tightly, okay? Because there's this incident that happened that the guest, phone got fall into the water. So they have flights, so it needed to take time, especially if it's rainy season. So here in Palawan, we do have 6 months off season and 6 months peak season. So lean season takes after May 3rd month until 6 months, and then the peak season starts with summer. And then another, nganga mode for our tour. Nganga mode because, we don't have tours, we don't have guests if it's lean season. So, anyway, we would like to thank you for coming to Puerto Princesa and Palawan. Because of you again, we're not in the nganga mode. So, don't worry guys, the road that we are going to pass in order for us to reach the underground river cave are all cemented. However, if you have a motion sickness, let me know it right now so that we could purchase or buy this motion sickness medicine. Is there any motion sickness right over there at the back? No motion sickness? Meron ma? May gamot ka po? She has? We needed to drink this pill an hour prior, hopefully. Do you want us to go to the store? Okay. Should we be fine? Anyway, let us know if you feel like you wanted to puke.
Famous plastic.
Yeah, we have this. We have a plastic here.
Tigpila ng turon, guys.
Sa Caba roll. Sa Caba.
Kay nano? Tapang. Tapang wala na.
This kind of mountain, it grows every year like 0.1 millimeter. So it would need to take like millions of years before it becomes like that. Sige, per group muna tayo, ma'am. Dito ko kayo picturean, ha? And I'm also going to take a photo.
Mapurusamod ka pa. Mainit. Oh yeah.
Ma'am, would you like to do the optional tour? No?
No,
We're
na.
just buying the
Okay, okay. So, I'll
90.
Ito.
Magte-text ako ha, Jeff po yung pangalan.
Sa corner ng M40.
Okay, sige. Sige po. Sige sir, antay lang po muna tayo dito sa mga upuan dyan. You can actually
Pwede
check on the stores first.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Smoke. Saan pwede mag-smoking area?
It's right over there. Tututok na yan sa
Ako.
Wala na talaga, ma'am?
Dalawang malaki, share na kita. Dalawang malaki pa.
Dalawang mango shake namin.
Magkano yung malaking mango?
May avocado.
Mga 50 o man?
Ikaw ano, avocado sa'yo mo?
Parehas yung price kasi mahal ang avocado.
Hindi, same price lang avocado. Magkaiba na lang po mangga at
Isang mangga, isang avocado na lang daw po.
Yung galing Japan.
dito ko tato dito yung smoking area.
Light.
Ay, na lighter, di ba nagsindi si... Baby. We're going to, anong tawag sa to? Underground cave. Pero, masakay pagali kami lancha bago kami kaabot dito. Kauna ko, pag kanto namon, amo na, dili pagali, masakay pa kami lancha.
Habla Espanyol. Kasi mga French here is in the mga French.
Dili na uulian. Daw.
Hello. Saan may CR dito?
Ayan, CR. Napakalata.
Tapos dito po yung waiting time. Pero pwede pa kayo mag-ikot-ikot ha.
Okay po. Oo, hindi ako ma-CR. Bago.
Bawal daw.
Gawin sa inyo.
Pati yung mga plastic.
Yung mga plastic natin na ganyan.
Bago pa gali kami makabot sa underground river, masakay pa gali kami sa lancha. Dili ko aram.
Kaya vlogger yung pungit ko, kinakalamas ka na eh. Hoy!
Mainit. Yeah. Masakay pa gali kami baruto. Kauna ko pag abot namo na, dili pa gali. Wala kaming balong, wala kami pati mga balon na bado. Umabasa kami. Mabakal na lang kay mayaman man sila. Mabakal na lang kami bado.
Mayaman sila.
Saan kami pumunta, tinitingnan namin pa rin. Oh, gasol pa rin ang gamit nila.
Dealer kasi kami ng gasol sa Masbate.
Yes.
Sila pala. Alalay lang ako. Burger stand. Baby toy.
Ayun ang aming boat, 77.
Oh. Yes. Small boat. Ikudain kita niya dito biya. Kita na upat na ikudain kita. Because na bumot, masakit sa bumot. Hindi na ba, para ma-slide ka, mabidyan tayo. Kaya para pag na-slide ka, may video. Okay guys. B, let's go na. Hindi na, para ikaw una ma-slide. Very good. Ito na. Hindi yung video ko na kayo.
Tama. Okay.
Hello guys. Welcome to the guys.
77.
Pasok na ho ba kuya? Good morning boss.
Abi.
Ang kita didi.
Aba. Dahan-dahan kayo dyan pababa.
Babada pa.
Apa? Basa ako. Puso. Underground reverbs. Mga masyar. Be, maiyan ito. Be.
Okay lang yan, tanggalin mo muna sir, pero for the meantime lang yan para hindi tayo matuluan ng mga ihi ng bag.
Ano yun? May ano?
Or the holy shit.
Asan yung pang? Yung isa, ando nag-CR pa.
Sige lang po. Pwede, ma'am, can I have a group photo dyan sa big tree? Dito tayo mag-request. Dito tayo dapat. Dito lang po kayo.
Na monkey. Ang monkey. Ayan, Harda. Ate Jen. May baby siya. Ayan ang monkey. Ang monkey andyan. Ang monkey sumusunod.
Dito na yung monkey.
Kaya ka group. Sana ba yung mapapicture man kita?
Ba't palagi yung 7 wonders? Hindi pwede.
Mauna ka.
Akong bagong ano yan?
Oo, tour
Tour guide?
guide ka. O sige, mauna
Okay,
ka.
come on. So, these are the trees?
Kasi yung nauna yun na kinakagat agad.
Taga saan po kayo?
Masbate po.
Takot yan sa akin, malaki mata ko eh.
Darshil?
Yeah, I'm from Bohol.
Diyan na kami. Ikot kami.
Good morning po.
Kapag magpalalakad. Oh, amazing.
Amazing.
Be close mo nga. Ayaw na kayo pag-abot ng kong camera.
Sila doon.
Awi, dana dito. Nahiragan na.
Gala ka na.
Kuha mo man ito.
Gala ka na. Gala ka na. Run, baby, run.
Ay, ang ganda ng tubig!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so amazed.
Oh, really?
Every day I'm in love with this water.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning po.
Hello, where's my ninong?
Suot niyo mami yung audio device po. I-assist kayo sa
Aba. Yung suot-suot. Edit ko na lang. Dito ko, dito ko.
Ang bunggo na naman? Ay, puking yun.
Ay, bakit tama ka to?
Kapon binangga niya si Tora, ikot-ikot.
Saan po ba yung entrance boss yun?
Ayan po.
Ah.
Yung may putot na yan.
So, that's the tunnel? Hello, Japan?
Baka dyan.
Japan ba? Hawaii pala.
Ate Jenny yung picture.
Oh. Isa pa.
Alright, let's go. It's our turn already.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
But
3.
I'd like to take you a
Ah, di-
photo
di-
here.
Ah. 1, 2, 3.
Basta ho, pag wag na wag tayong ano.
Si Jen, hi. Papasok kami. Nasa unahan kami, andun sila sa likuran.
Boss
Si
Freddy.
Jen!
Picture po.
Bye, guys.
Kita Ali.
Hello po, welcome back. Group picture po.
Thank you.
Hoy, baby. Be. Wala mo yung tagaan si Kuya. Si Kuya, wala mo yung tagaan. Ano, bugsay-bugsay. She called rain. It's raining.
Bagay kanina kayo nasalo na akong kalo.
Paano hangad? Look up. Look up.
Ay, di ba sabi look up? Eh,
Look up daw. Look up.
Look up nga yan, look up. Eh, look up. Oh, pataas nga.
Gawin na kami ng umbrella. Tayo naman. Baby ko, oh. Pasalamat kami kanina kay dili nag-aura ng amon underground river to. Ayos sa ATM mo.
Free? Free oh? Free withdrawal?
We're going to eat na. Saan dito? Sarang?
Ano yung photo mo sa video? Jay, ano yung doon?
Para kita lang sa video, magtrotindog ka lang dito.
Guys, this is the washing area now.
Ano, makamay?
Tama yan, sa palaisdaan.
Ay. Ate dyan, ikaw, ate. Wow, it's buffet. It's buffet. Mapapalamo na naman ang baby ko.
Babawin ko sa kain.
Tara, pwede na ba?
Pwede na ba?
Gusto na yung ano. Ito. Baby! Ito alam mo isang pikin nag-video ako. Hindi.
Sure, ikaw lang pwede.
Kikuhan ko na
Ay, ano yung ano? Siriri. Later.
Kala ko dessert.
Kasakon, puro karne. Jote lang dapat ang luto. Pero sana, dumdaw dito.
At matilaw lang.
Oh no, leftovers ha? Be, parang bilin.
Iwan ko
Palawan.
Oh. Dito lang. Dito lang, Bi. Ayaw sa tapag damo. Good morning po. Oh, afternoon na pala. Ato.
Spicy seafood. Mataba.
Ay, sorry po. Yan. Parang sa... Balik ako din sa adobo. Hindi mo magustuhan ng bopis. Itilawang ko. Papa.
Friend, doon naman tayo sa kainan. What's that, baby? Sabaw ko naman na lang ako. Meron siyang pagkain. Later na balik ko.
Kaya kayo dyan, natakaga ka na dito ka pala. Kayo dyan, ito ka na pala, natawagan pa kita.
Tapos ito daw. Hindi, natawag na si natin dyan. Tahong, mataba. Ay, natanggal pa? Ano ito?
Para sa itong bagong barang dito.
Wala naman ata.
Naka-live ka.
Taba.
Ay! Oh, piyaman ni popcorn. Kamutan na. Kamutan na.
Papakulaan mo siya, nagiging parang
Miracle
itim.
fruit lang
Ang
yan.
tubig. Iyakin mo siya, tapos tanggalin mo yung balat, lagay mo sa kaldero, lagyan mo ng tubig, mga 4 o 5 baso, tapos pakuluan mo 1 hour or 2 hours. Pag isang baso na lang matira, yan yung linisin.
Karoon ako butong hinahon.
Kala namin kanina.
Maraming gamot po ang ano yun, mga taas na
Yung puno niya, kanya naman sa kalaki.
Opo, pero gumagano'n po yan siya, hindi kagaya ng puno.
Karoon na namang butong. O, si Papo curious siya. Oh.
Kala namin kanina.
Parang
Ano yung tawag niya dito?
ganun din po.
Miracle fruit nga daw. Namin nakita meron pala ng inihaw na fish. Ano daw ito, be? Ano? Low Shalom House. Tabok. Awan ba? Aw. Noodles house. 180 ano baga sabi niya. Ano daw yung bigyan? Ito yung ulo. Sad lang. Turog pata sindap. SB. Ano yun?
SBS.
SBS. SBS po. Isa lang po. Apo. Tikman lang namin. Sabi daw kasi dito daw yung masarap eh.
Regular special.
Asan ba?
Ano po yung sa special?
90 po. 140 po.
Sabi ng tour guide namin,
Sabi ni Kuya na
malapit lang daw dito sa amin yung masarap daw na ano. Diyan lang kami sa Ipil, ano eh.
may post ng duwa.
At na kami na duwa kay Anduwa, Turog. Dugay pa ito. Dili na mo na lang kung anong oras ito mamata. Kaya nabas na kami. Makahuli kami sa famous noodles in Palawan. Ang trinay lang namin. Ano sabi nila? Sarap eh. Gawa lang.
Ano yan? Ito?
Ang ano?
Kiss lips. Kiss ano?
Kain. Ah, may kiss.
Kala ko tato.
Ay, Alexa. Yes. Alexa. At hali kami sa highway, naglakad-lakad ng baby ko.
Paunin namin yung
Ah. Kumalisan ng air lang. Sabi ko nga ni kay
And the strength I need, please believe that it's true. Oh, babe, I love you. Ilabas ang mga ano dyan. Never out you weary and I had enough. Feel like giving up. Ay, kuya. Mas luma na.
oh,
Give me the courage and the strength Babe, I love you. Somebody. Love somebody. The way I love you.
Noon, nagtuturo na siya, hindi pa kami on. Pilat mo.
Upang di mahalata.
Siya ay nagmayabang, nagmemenesyonta daw siya sa alabang. Ako ay tumakbay, mahigpit na mahigpit, naglalaway sa padan niyang hapit na hapit. Nang ako'y makalinga, di ko siya matagpuan. Ubus ang aking money, di ko pa nahalikan. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw. Tsura na yun, tayo kami tricycle.
Uy, masilo sa kuya. Competition na kaya?
Habang naka-back ride. Sakay kami sa tricycle.
Bikini open.
Oh, talagang bikini open.
Kami tricycle. Damon maganda oh. Ang hilera Tagalog ay puro ano ho. Ato pa ho daw, ato na. Baby, ato pa ho.
Malakas-lakas kaya rayo pa. Tato.
Daho diding ano kung gusto mo mag-party-party, inom chill-chill. Baga siyang ano. Asan ang kinabot? Ang kinabot.
Ah, akala ko sila, uncle. Kabuts pala. Kabuts pala.
Okay, dyan kami kakain sa Kinabuts. Aray ko. May ay nag-tricycle oh. Nag-tricycle nila. Baby! Very danay. Oo, basa. Oh. Be. Kinabuts.
Kaya kasi naataga sila ng pagkasabi. Kasi ako manalang pagkasabi.
Salamat.
Amo na yung kinabuts.
Sabi sa ako, 5 shades sa hotel.
Oh yeah?
Oh, Kinabuts man ito. Kuya, saan masarap kumain dito?
Yung isa lang yan, ma'am.
Ah, isa lang.
po kayo mga...
Okay, thank you.
Ang pihit na tayo ng kaliwa.
Isang ano lang to. Kala ko iba-ibang ano na. Isang ano lang pala to, Kinabut. Kahit saan. Dito na lang para may ano, doon. Dito na lang.
Kilala mo si kinabuts?
Oh, we're here at Kinabuts. Kakain naman. Masarap daw yung curry. Beef curry.
How much is your beer here?
Kinabuts. Siya kasi malaki.
Isend po, sir.
Tapos, ano na lang? yung rice?
Plain rice. Ay, may platter kayo? Yun na lang po.
Magkano yung ano?
Yun na muna. May pre-taste kami.
Sa ibang po na lang siya, light lang.
Ah, si
Baka matapang yan, hindi.
Hindi naman po, light lang.
Ah, sige.
Matapang.
Ayun na, may patagay na kami.
Sige lang sir, bigyan lang kita para matikman.
Pinunta lang talaga namin ito yung care ni Boots. Yung care ni Boots.
Okay lang po, picture kayo for documentary. Hindi naman
Okay.
po ako.
Ah, don't worry.
Alam namin
Sisigat yan lang. Ay, nandito.
Sabi. Lakat. Sa kinabuch. Adi Biu. Be. Restroom, galian restroom nila. Ito, makita kita dito sa mga. Okay lang kuya mag-video. Mag-video, okay lang. Video. Kuhan mo na yan.
Ano, Jay? Pabigyan mo na ako ito, 308.
Kain.
Ito. Dako ko na lang sa camera.
Bilang ko yung barbecue nila.
Barato na hali siya?
Ayun no.